Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to install Steam on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. In order for you to install Steam on Windows, first you have to go to any web browser and then you have to look for download Steam or install Steam. Then you should see this first link right here. What you're going to do is tap this one. Now, it will take you directly to the Steam page, and all you have to do is tap on install or install Steam. You have two options here. So I'm going to tap on this blue button, install Steam, and you should go to your download folder and you should see this one. All you have to do is tap this and then right click, run as administrator. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see something here that will pop up that will notify you your Steam is now installing. This is what it looks like. Tap OK. Okay, choose the language that you want to use. Then tap on install. You can also browse the location here. For example, if you want to save this or download this to a specific folder, you can simply go to browse and look for the specific folder and then tap on proceed. Once done, tap on finish. And then what you're going to do next is you can go to your search menu and then look for Steam and then tap on open. So that's how you install Steam on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.